Hello everyone, my name is Rashesh. I am a software engineer at Collabora. Today I will talk about remote configuration, also known as dynamic configuration. It is a it is a new way to update the configuration without restarting the cool server. Before remote configuration, to update config of cool server, admin needs to edit the coolwsd.xml and save it and restart the cool server to apply the changes, which will interrupt all the user sessions that are running at that moment. But with remote configuration, admins can update the configuration without the need of restarting the cool server. Uh, Let me explain how it works. Uh, there are two nodes involved. One is cool server or a Collabora Online server, and second one is remote server. It can be any server which can send JSON. Every 60 seconds, there is a request from cool server to remote server for new JSON. In response, remote server will send the configuration in JSON format. The configuration will get updated only if there is any change in JSON. Online uses etag header to identify whether the JSON has any changes or not. An entity an entity tag or etag is a HTTP header used for web cache validation. The value of etag is identifier that represents the specific version of resource. Once the Collabora Online gets the updated JSON, it uses Poco library's layered configuration class to apply the new configuration on top of the existing layer. It consists of number of abstraction layers. When reading a configuration property in a layered configuration, all the edit configuration are searched in order of their priority. In cool, the remote JSON has the highest priority. So when online searches for the key value pair, first it will search from layered from formed by remote configuration JSON. If it founds the key value pair, it will stop searching. Otherwise, it will go down to the other layer formed by coolwsd.xml. Let me show you how this can be enabled and used. First of all, you need to set the remote URL in coolwsd XML of the server which will serve the JSON format. And here I have a node server listening at port 3000. In JSON format, I have defined two things. First is alias group, and second is feature locking. Let me explain what does this feature locking does. So, you, in specifically the logged host, admins can set the feature locking and read-only config per WOP host. For example, I have set the test.nextcloud.server to read-only false, so the document will open in edit form. So if we see that, reopen this. If we do that, then as you can see, it is in editable form. So and now if I change this read only to true and wait for remote config request, the test.nextcloud server should open in read only instead of edit mode. I got the request from cool server. Now if I reopen this document, should be in read only mode. As you can see, if I click on edit, and It shows a unlock dialog. So that was the demo. These are some configuration thing I just mentioned in the demo. Uh, right now, not all of the key value pairs configuration supported. These are some of the these are these are I have listed some of them here. For more info for more info on configuration, you can check our SDK. Uh, thank you. Thank you for listening.